Hello, friends and residency candidates. So, everybody is wondering, what is the difference between Match a Resident and Residency Explorer? Now, both are extremely powerful tools with a great capacity to help residency candidates in their application journey and application process. However, there are a few key differences that really set the utility and function of Match a Resident versus Residency Explorer apart. So let's discuss those a little bit further today. So first, let's talk about what Match a Resident offers that Residency Explorer does not. And the first and most significant thing that Match a Resident offers is customized residency lists. This means that every single program on your list is compatible with you based on your applicant profile when compared to the minimum requirements of programs. So our goal is to save you countless hours of trying to research programs on your own and come up with a compatibility list. We give that for you instantaneously, so it's the perfect starting point for your program research. Our customized lists also come with compatibility scores for each program, as well as an interview link feature, which tells you which programs have interviewed candidates like you before. So these are two great tools and powerful assets in your residency program research. Another main difference between Match a Resident and Residency Explorer is that we offer free and live guidance and coaching throughout the entirety of the application season. Our goal is to make the application process as accessible and easily understood and navigable as possible. So we are here to help answer any questions you might have, provide very specific coaching based on your criteria or the experiences or the background you have and perhaps the obstacles you're facing to get into residency. And we're here to really help guide you through understanding what your strengths and possible areas for improvement are and best approaches to really tackling and making the most out of your application season. So again, you can give us a call or send us an email and we are glad to be helping support you. So never hesitate to reach out. That's 100% part of our job and our mission is to help you with our free guidance and support. A third main difference between Match a Resident and Residency Explorer is that Match a Resident has an IMD Friendly Focus. Now, we do work with US medical graduates each year as well. However, the majority of our members are international medical graduates. In fact, we were founded by an international medical graduate back in 2004. So it's a very important aspect of where we came from and who we help. We really are trying to make the process of applying to residency in the United States more easily understood, especially for IMGs. We do have IMG friendliness ratings for each and every program in the customized list, which are included in compatibility scores and are another excellent filtering tool to help people find the very best residency programs for them. A fourth key feature of Match a Resident is that we spend 6 to 8 to 10 weeks every single year contacting programs to update our minimum requirements. And this is an incredibly important part of what we offer is the most up-to-date, the most in-depth and accurate program minimum requirements, because we don't believe that sending out a survey and hoping programs will fill it out with accurate information is enough. That's a passive approach, and Match a Resident truly believes in the most active approach for updating minimum requirements. So that means we're going to be calling programs across the United States dozens of times until we're able to actually contact the program coordinator and have an in-depth discussion with him to figure out what are cutoffs, what are flexible preferences, and where are there no requirements, plus all sorts of additional information for each criteria as well. So you'll see that all the information in our list is complete for each program, and again, it's updated each and every single year. Now, to be fair, let's talk about what Residency Explorer offers that Match a Resident does not. There's no denying that Residency Explorer offers a vast amount of data which can be incredibly useful for residency applicants. Through the partnership of several official organizations, Residency Explorer has been able to create an interface which is rich in information. And this helps applicants determine specific details about programs like average USMLE scores, ethnicities of the people who have matched into that program, the average number of research, work, and volunteer experiences applicants have, pay rates, vacation days, all sorts of very specific data points that are definitely relevant to applicants. And it's important to keep in mind that this is the utility and function of Residency Explorer. It's a very data-rich, very diverse ecosystem of residency application information. Now, how do Match a Resident and Residency Explorer work together to help applicants make the most out of their residency application process? So according to Residency Explorer, it is intended to help you explore and research programs and develop a list of programs for further investigation. We encourage you to consult with a trusted advisor or mentor in the residency application process. Now, we advocate that Match a Resident is that trusted mentor and advisor. We have been helping applicants one-on-one for 16 years, and we've helped over 150,000 applicants apply to residency, many thousands of whom who have found success. All right, now here we are at the question that everybody has been waiting for. How do I use Match a Resident and Residency Explorer together? Now again, we believe that these incredibly powerful tools can work in harmony and complement one another in order to help you achieve a match. So here's how we suggest using Match a Resident and Residency Explorer together. First, start out by accessing your customized residency list in Match a Resident. And you can use our features and tools like compatibility scores, interview link, and interview feedback to figure out which are the most interested programs for you. So what are your favorite programs? What seem like the best picks? Which ones have IMG friendliness that's medium or high? And you can bookmark those programs for further investigation. Then you can go to Residency Explorer and look at these programs that you bookmarked more in depth and figure out where are the absolute best or most interesting or most compatible programs based on the additional data that's available in Residency Explorer. But make sure you're taking notes in your customized list with Match a Resident using the Notes feature, where you can insert very important pieces of information that you don't want to forget and you want to keep organized all in one place. Now, once you've refined your customized list to the programs that you definitely want to apply to, make sure you send your applications out as early as possible and before program deadlines, which are included for each program on your customized list. And then later on, after your interviews, make sure to use the Rank Assist feature right away when the interview information and the experience itself is still as fresh in your mind as possible. And this will greatly assist you in your rank efforts later on in the season. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, give us a call if you have questions or you are concerned about something that you're doing or want to know the best practice, or again, how to best approach a specific scenario to you. We are here to help. We truly believe in providing as much assistance as possible and being there for our members. Finally, we at Match a Resident believe in going beyond just the data. We also have incredibly powerful yet extremely affordable application support services like ERIS editing and optimization through residencyexperts.com and personal statement writing and editing services through residencystatement.com. Plus, we're getting ready right now to launch incredible interview prep services to round out your application efforts and preparations. So, after watching this, I hope you understand the differences between Match a Resident and Residency Explorer and are comfortable with the fact that we feel that each of them offer very unique and special contributions to the residency application process. And we believe that they can work in harmony to complement each other and truly give you the best chances for getting your top match. We thank you for listening and for watching. And again, feel free to give us a call or send us an email if you have specific questions, and we would be glad to help. All right, everybody. Thanks again, and take care.